Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can block unknown account messages on WhatsApp. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up WhatsApp, click on the three dots on the top right hand side, then go to settings. Once you're on here, click on privacy, and then if you scroll down you should come to advanced. So you want to tap on that, and then you should see at the top, block unknown account messages. To protect your account and improve device performance, WhatsApp will block messages from unknown accounts if they exceed a certain volume. So obviously all you'll need to do with that is toggle that on, and that will block all unknown account messages. Thanks for watching.